Okay, you guys, so I'm here at LA Fitness. There's a pool. Can you see it? Look, there's a pool right there. So I really do declare, I think I may be joining here. Look at what's upstairs. There's a kiddie area. So I'm waiting for somebody to come activate my pass. Yeah, so y'all, whew, it's hot out there. Look at my hair. Should have just left them in the buns. Could have just left them in the buns and it would have been just A-OK. You know what I'm saying? So give me a second. I finished giving y'all a tour. Give me a second.